Hi, I'm Dr. Ara Nazarian, and we're here at Premier Dental. We offer a variety of different services under one roof. What that means to the patient is that it's done more effectively and efficiently, but it's also saves on their budget because they don't have to pay a variety of different dentists for those services. Most importantly, I have full control of the treatment. I can guide these treatment plans so that not only is it aesthetic, but it's also functional.
When you go through a procedure like this, it's not easy. You're getting your teeth yanked out and getting new ones put in. But Dr. Nazarian made me feel very comfortable during the whole 8-month process. I thank him for that.
All risks, benefits, and alternatives are reviewed with the patient, and all different types of treatment, because it's a big decision for the patient. And they have to fully understand what we're going to be providing for them, what the final result is going to look like.
Staff is great. You almost feel like family to them. Just to have full functionality and then the aesthetic improvement. It was life-changing, it really was. It was absolutely just evolutionary.
A lot of the technology and tools that we have that are available allow us to plan for success, whether it's implants, reconstruction, or cosmetic dentistry. We use surgical guides so that the final restoration is biomechanically stable. So there's no guessing or exploratory surgery.
I'm extremely happy with the outcome. I actually cried when I saw it because it had been like a 10-year process to get here. I would highly recommend him for anybody.
Whether it's one tooth or a full mouth reconstruction, I put pride and hard effort into making it perfect. When speaking with patients, I want to be at their same level. I don't want to talk over them because I have a degree. I want to educate them, be their provider, be their friend, and be someone who could provide efficient, effective, and predictable dentistry as much as possible.